Hi, everyone. I'm Christopher Thornycroft with Redwood Logistics, and welcome to the Redwood Rundown for the week of September 25th, 2023. Last week of the quarter. Usually for the end of Q3, we start talking about how we're going to see a big heat up in the Midwest, etc., all these other pockets. Not this time. This time, we will say, yes, Los Angeles is still hot. We've got Los Angeles almost at 7-1. It looks like import volume a little bit stronger than what people thought. I don't know really what's behind it at this point, but we're also looking at some data from the IO2I that says that we should be seeing a pickup of imports that should be coming roughly mid to late October. At least that's what the data is showing us. We'll see. That could be created because Amazon fulfillment centers are requiring all goods to be brought into those fulfillment centers by mid-October. So maybe that's impacting it. But man, we are looking at demand headwinds. Government shutdown coming on up this weekend, continued UAW strike. Government shutdown, if that does take place October 1st, the government employs 800,000 people. Anytime you have a shutdown of the government, you see an immediate drop off in freight volumes. On top of that, student loan repayments begin on October 1st. That's not going to fuel demand, that's for sure. Capacity is exiting the market. It has continued to exit at a more and more rapid pace. The price of fuel, $90 per barrel right now, or about $4.59 per gallon. That is having a major impact on carriers. That is, smaller carriers are being absolutely pushed out of the market. Fuel's gone up by over 80 cents since July 4th. We have some evidence as to all these factors and what it is doing on that supply-demand imbalance. We have the OTRI, outbound tender rejection index, that has now slid below 4%, so that is back below 4%. And the DAT, load-to-truck ratio, is back at 2.5 to 1. That would indicate to us that there is some ample capacity, and we are seeing that, hence lower buy rates. So what's coming for the rest of the week? Again, we don't think you're going to see that Midwest pickup. We think that you're going to see Los Angeles, yes, get tighter, and then after that, usually a softening in the market pretty instantly. So if it's going to get softer from here, we would actually anticipate prices to continue to drop until you really see that shock to the system from carriers exiting at a fast enough rate. And then we see a demand pickup, maybe later in November, maybe once we've got the strike resolved, once we've got government shutdown resolved, etc. If you see a pickup of demand against that decreased supply, then you'll see prices rise. But until then, it's going to be a bit of a tough ride out there. We hope that everyone's doing well. We hope you're not watching football. Don't watch football in Chicago. No, don't. Go outside. I took the kids for a 4-mile walk. Don't watch football. We're going to be better people. We'll come back next year. Don't worry. All right. That's all we've got. Take care, everyone.